In this video, I'll show you real, working, zero-rated apps that let you access selected parts of the internet completely free. Let's get started. First, let us understand what zero-rated internet is. Zero rating means your mobile network allows you to use specific apps or websites without spending your data or airtime. You can chat, read news, and browse the web, even when your data is finished. Let's explore some real examples and how you can use them. The first real zero-rated platform is Zero Data app. It's available in Nigeria and in Kenya. Zero Data lets you access selected apps and websites like Twitter, LiveScore, Wikipedia, and others, completely data-free. It works only on networks that have official partnerships with Zero Data. That means you can enjoy limited internet use, even if your balance is zero. You can download the app from their website or the app stores. In Nigeria, supported networks are MTN, Airtel, Glo, and 9Mobile. In Kenya, use supported networks like Safaricom and Airtel. Next is Bluecom Zero Data Connect. It's currently available in South Africa and expanding to Nigeria and Cameroon. Bluecom partners with major carriers to give data-free access to popular apps through its Connect client. With supported networks, you can browse and message without using your data plan at all. Visit their official website to learn more about it, available countries, supported networks, and how you can use it. Another one is Vodacom Connect U. If you're in South Africa, Vodacom Connect U gives you free access to selected websites. That includes educational pages, job portals, government sites, and other public resources. It works even when you have no data or airtime. As long as you're using a Vodacom SIM, you just open your browser and visit the Connect U homepage to start using it. Alright, MTN Ioba is another officially zero-rated app. It's available on MTN networks in countries like Ghana, Nigeria, Uganda, Cameroon, and many others. You can chat, share files, play games, and read news, all without spending a single megabyte of data. Just install Ioba from the Play Store, log in with your MTN number, and you're good to go. It's one of the most reliable zero-rated messaging platforms right now. The final powerful zero-rated service for today is Facebook Free Basics. This app provides free access to essential websites even when you have no data. It's available in countries like India, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, South Africa, and more, depending on your mobile network. Supported carriers include MTN, Airtel, Vodafone, and Tigo, among others. Through Free Basics, you can browse news sites, health information, education platforms, job listings, and even BBC iPlayer, local newspapers, and book resources, all for free. You don't need a data plan. Just open the Free Basics app or visit freebasics.com on your phone while using a supported SIM card. You'll instantly get access to all the partner websites without any charge. It's a simple and legal way to stay informed, connected, and productive, even when you're out of data. All these are official zero-rated programs that work even with no active data bundle. Before you go, remember, zero-rated apps don't give full internet access, but they're perfect for free browsing, chatting, and learning when your data runs out. Please, let's get this channel to 10K subscribers. And don't forget to subscribe to PauTecTips for more real tech tricks that actually work.